Hello, my dear students. From my channel, I am going to discuss the topic about what is the need of political parties and how many types are there in political parties, and what is the difference between national party and regional party, and what is the importance of political party, what does political party means. In general, political parties are easily one of the most visible institutions in a democracy. For most ordinary citizens, democracy is equal to political parties. If you travel to remote parts of our country and speak to the less educated citizens, you could come across people who may not know anything about our constitution or about the nature of our government. What does political party mean? A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. They agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective good. Since there can be different views on what is good for all, parties try to persuade people why their policies are better than others. Political parties seek to implement these policies by winning popular support through elections. And what are the functions of political parties? What does political party do? Basically, political parties fill political offices and exercise political power. Parties do so by performing a series of functions. Parties contest elections. In most democracies, elections are fought mainly among the candidates put up by political parties. Parties put forward different policies and programs, and the voters choose from them. Each of us may have different opinions and views on what policies are suitable for the society. But no government can handle such a large variety of views. In a democracy, a large number of similar opinions have to be grouped together to provide a direction and which policies can be formulated by the governments. And parties form and run governments. As we noted last year, the big policy decisions are taken by political executive that comes from the political parties. Political parties play a decisive role in making laws for a country. Formerly, laws are debated and passed in the legislature, but since most of the members belong to a party, they go by the direction of the party leadership irrespective of their personal opinions. And what is the need to establish political parties in India or anywhere throughout the world? This list of functions in a sense answers the question asked above. We need political parties because they perform all these functions. But we still need to ask why modern democracies cannot exist without political parties. We can understand the necessity of political parties by imagining a situation without parties. Every candidate in the elections will be independent. So, no one will be able to make any promises to the people about any major policy changes. The government may be formed, but its utility will remain ever uncertain. Elected representatives will be accountable to their constituency for what they do in the locality. The rise of political parties is directly linked to the emergence of representative democracies. In a democracy, any group of citizens is free to form a political party. As political parties, already you know mostly, political parties are classified with two types. One is national party and second one is regional party. So generally, every party in the country has to register with the election commission. While the commission treats all parties equally, it offers some special facilities to large and established parties. These parties are given a unique symbol provided by Election Commission of India. Only the official candidates of that party can use that election symbol. Parties that get this privilege and some other special facilities are recognized by the Election Commission for this purpose. That is why these parties are called recognized political parties. So, the Election Commission has laid down detailed criteria of the proportion of votes and seats that a party must get in order to be a recognized party. And what is called state party and what is called national party. A party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in an election to the Legislative Assembly of a state and wins at least 2 seats is recognized as a state party and also called as regional party. And what does national party mean? A party that secures at least 6% of the total votes in Lok Sabha elections or assembly elections in 4 states and wins at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha is recognized as a national party.